Hello everyone. I would like to go over how to do a 3-needle cast on. This is great for whenever you need to do any type of bags, but you don't want to sew. I really hate whenever I have to sew things up. So what you do first off, you have your needle and your yarn. This is just a yarn I found in my stash. So you need to know how many you're going to want to go around fully. For the purpose of this, I'm going to say 10 on each side. Okay? You can do all the way up to as much as your needle will hold. What you do is you hold 2 needles side by side. Make sure they are approximately the same length. Okay? Set that down. Make a slip knot. We have videos on how to make the slip knot. That's a little bit easier to see. Slide it on one of the needles. At this point, if you'd like, you can take your stitch marker, slide it on so you know where to start. You don't have to, I'm going to. So we have it on one, then you make the round like a regular cast on. You put it on needle number 2. So now you have one on each. We're going to do first needle, second needle, 2, first needle, second needle, 3, 10. Now at the very end. Okay, so we ended on the back one, so you turn it around. Okay, and you can go through and start at the beginning, but that can cause some slight issues. You can start from this side. It's really up to you as to what you would prefer to do. That's the reason why most people will sit there and wait to do their stitch marker until they know which side they're going to start on. So I just slip it off. You always want to start with this one, which is in the beginning the first one I did. So you go under, round, knit one. Now since I'm going to be using double point needles, because that's what I prefer to use, I'm just going to do 5, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, right there, it's nice tight. It's about as tight as a cast off or so. And you just keep going all the way around. So I'm going to grab another needle. So now that we have 5 there, this is where it gets a little tricky, but this is the reason why I do my yarn like this. I make it so that this one, which is the one we're not knitting off of, goes below, and the other 2 go above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, we have 5 on 2 needles and 10 on 1. Nice, tight. Well, I'm going to keep going in the round, so this where it gets a little bit tricky with the camera, but you just start the next one over on the big needle, which has 10. 1, 5. As you can tell, it doesn't want to sit like you would a normal 4 range. Okay. Even whenever I do the last one, you'll see it tries to do the whole straight thing. That's okay. The further you go up, the better it gets. So we have one more needle. Alright, so we're going to the last needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when sitting normal, it looks a little weird, almost like a diamond. But it's nice, it's stable. When you keep going around, there's no holes. It's just a nice stable way to create a bottom for something. I generally like to do this for bags, because see, look at how clean that is. That is your 3 needle cast on.